Hi, I'm Amanda with Source One Environmental, and today I'd like to take a moment to introduce the newest addition to our line of water drainage products, the Flexible Downspout Extension by StormDrain. A flexible downspout extension like this is an easy and cost-effective way to divert rainwater away from the foundation of a house or other outbuildings, helping to prevent costly water damage. As you can see, it looks similar to other flexible extensions you may see out in the market today, but this particular downspout extension has some really great upgraded features. First of all, with its unique no-cut, no-tool design, the StormDrain downspout can connect to a 2" by 3" or a 3" by 4" traditional rectangle downspout, as well as a 4" round diameter drainage pipe, all without the use of any tools or having to cut the product, unlike most of its competitors. The StormDrain flexible extension is expandable from 25.5 inches to 45.5 inches. And if more length is needed, multiple extensions can be connected together using the same no-cut, no-tool design. Simply twist the downspout connection adapter counterclockwise a quarter turn and pull out straight to remove. Now, the 4" round portions can be connected by sliding together and twisting clockwise to lock into place. This product is made of a durable polypropylene, giving it far superior strength and durability over most other downspout extensions out there. On top of its superior strength and durability, it is also treated with a UV inhibitor to protect it from sun damage, like cracking, fading, and brittleness. The flexible downspout by StormDrain comes in 5 color options: black, green, brown, white, and stone to blend into any application. They're available individually or sold in a convenient 2-pack. Thanks for taking a look at the flexible downspout extension by StormDrain.